This video will demonstrate the initial setup of the SmartWAVE Combo Coffee Tea Brewer. Caution: the brewer must be disconnected from the power source throughout the initial setup, except when specified. Remove the shipping cap from the fitting on the rear of the brewer. Securely attach adapter elbow assembly to the fitting at the rear of the brewer. Flush the water line and attach it to the adapter elbow. Turn on the water supply. Insert an empty funnel into the funnel rails. Place an empty server under the funnel. Connect the brewer to the power source. Ensure the indicator display is lit. Press and release the Enable Brew On/Off switch. Water will flow into the tank and stop when the tank is filled to its capacity. Wait approximately 20 minutes for the water in the tank to heat to the proper temperature. Some water will drip from the funnel during this time. This is due to expansion and is normal part of setup. Water volumes and flow settings have been preset at the factory. Display will show ready when tank is at operating temperature. The brewer is now ready for use in accordance with the instructions for coffee brewing.